What's going on, you guys? Back again with another one. Today we are going to try out the banana walnut bread. Check it out, y'all. Ta-da! Look at that. Oh my. Let's get a close-up of that one. Oh my. Delightful. All right, you guys. Well, we are going to give this a try. Let you know how it is and let us try it. Let's get it rocking. Here we go. First bite. Delightful. Light, fluffy, airy. The crunch of the walnuts, delicious. Has like a crumble on top. Oh my. I ain't gonna lie. This is gonna have to be like a 9.7. There's almost a 10 right here. Oh my. Yeah. Look, you guys, 9.7 banana walnut muffin. If you haven't tried it, go try it. Cafe 13.